Good evening, everybody. This is Rich and Katie down along the river with Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. This is not going to be a cooking video. This is going to be a 1,000 subscriber shout out video. I tell you what, I can't not believe the channel made it this far, and it wouldn't have been this, wouldn't have been successful without everybody, from Katie and the family to YouTube communities to subscribers to non-subscribers, to everybody just step out and check out the channel. Almost a year ago, I never thought that it would even take off, but thanks to numerous support, like like saying from Katie and the family, from YouTube communities such as Troy down there at T-Roy Cooks, James, Aimem and Claimem Smokers, Lew Hippie BBQ, Lew BBQ, and so many others that that helps contribute to where my channel is at today. And I'm kind of at a loss for words, so I'm kind of stumbling. Excuse me. It kind of happened real fast. I was in 900s or something. Next thing you know, bam, I'm over 1,000. So I had to do a little catch up. But everybody that helped me get there, I do appreciate it. So what has happened is YouTube has changed the threshold for monetization, and not only do you lose monetization if you don't meet this threshold, you lose YouTube creator things like iCards and stuff like that. You can't use any of the YouTube specialties. So it's not really just, not really about the money. It's about everything else that comes along with the process of, having a certain thresholds met. And the new threshold to stay monetized is 4,000 watch hours, which most of the, which a lot of channels have. But it's at 1,000 subscriber mark that some of them are halfway there, a little over halfway, or like I was before, community pulled together and really, I feel really, helped me get to where I needed to, we need to be with my channel. So like I said, it's 4,000 watch hours. Every 1,000 watch minutes, you'll get 16 hours. For the younger channels out there where I was right where you're at. Keep doing it. I mean, I know the threshold's a lot higher now, but I'll pay it forward as much as I can. So, with that being said, there's a couple of channels that I follow that follow me that are right on the cuff, so to speak, and I'd like to go ahead and get them shout outs and get them over that hump, so they don't have to, so they can get their new threshold met. And one of these channels we actually went and saw down there in North Carolina is Barlow BBQ. Matthew and Martha are stand-up people. They deserve to meet their threshold. They work hard on their channel. They're very sincere and just good old, good folks. I'll leave that video where we visit them up here in the iCard above, and their link to their channel will be in the description box below. Go check them out. They're at I just checked right before I made this video, is 947. So they're right around the corner. So let's go ahead and help them out. Let's go ahead and get them over the mark. They'd be much appreciated. And another channel that is right on the threshold that I follow, that follows me, that me and Miss Katie and Miss Kathy, we enjoy listening to him, is MrMegaFredZepplein over in Northern California. Before I checked this video, he was at 939. So another YouTube channel that really does well. He's very himself, and that's what I really like, the genuineness, I think that's the word, of him and Miss Joey. So again, his link will be in the description box below. Just hit show more. And that's all the ones that I have followed that's close. That close. The rest of them are not as close, but, you know, they're going to get there. So let's try to help them out anyway. You know, very good channels. Check them out. First one is Dqued Barbeque. He's just starting out. You know, he may be a couple hundred subscribers, but, you know, he's got the right idea. He's also in West Virginia. I follow him. He follows me. We actually talked on the phone. He's thinking about getting into the barbecue circuit, and we should run into him later this year in West Virginia. So check him out, Dqued Barbeque. Link will be in the description box. And another one I did a collaboration with is Hickory BBQ down in Texas. I looked at him. He was at 617. He's a little far off the mark, but, you know, let's help him out. It's not impossible to get him there. And the deadline, I forgot the failed to mention, is February 20th. That you have to have your 4,000 hours and your 1,000 subscribers deadline, or else if you're monetized now and you don't meet your mark, you're gonna lose your monetization. So for a lot of channels starting out, it's really not about the money, but I'm telling you what, you know, when you're out here and you're getting collections and cookers and stuff like that, a little kudos isn't, kind of offsets the price of buying the meat and stuff. But I like doing it. So check out, Kenneth down at Hickory BBQ in Texas, and Charlie's Smokin BBQ. He's also down there in Lubbock, Texas. He's got a little less subscribers, but it's still nonetheless I did a collaboration with him as well. Oh, by the way, I'll leave the collaboration with Hickory BBQ up here in the iCard. And also, I'll leave Charlie Smokin BBQ's collaboration in the iCard if I can. If not, it'll be in the iCard below, or the description box below with his channel link. And this one here, the good thing about having a channel is it gets all over the world. And this one is over in the United Kingdom, I think. Lasse's Food and Barbecue. He's he tries a lot of the American barbecue stuff over here, and we try some of his stuff. Not I, but I will, but some of the other channels. I'm hoping to do a collaboration with him one day, but he was at 600, so he's a little far off the mark. But again, it's not impossible to help these guys. So check out all these guys' channels, real good channels. They know what they're doing. Some's young, but everybody got to start somewhere. Check them out. Links in the description box. And there will be a giveaway for 1,000 subscriber here soon. It kind of caught me too fast, and then really don't have nothing to give away at this point, but I will within the next week or two. I'll keep you posted. More importantly was to give the shout out there so everybody knows that, for sure that I really do appreciate the love, the support, and everything that everybody has given me. From comments to rubs to, just phone calls. I mean, just the direction and the support is phenomenal. So, again, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that Weber Smoky Mountain down there in the corner. Hit that bell. It'll let you know when I upload every time. All my social links will be in the all my social media links will be in the description box, along with my affiliate links. Just hit show more. And also have a PayPal account for donations if you wish to donate, which would be, it's not expected, but very, very well appreciated. And people do donate every once in a while. So, guys, be safe out there. Check out these guys. Thanks for the love. And share with your friends and family. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. We'll see you on the next one.